Here's the list. 196 Wharf Street. Eletech. Here it is.
Doors closing.
Oh wow. That's a doors instead of door. I only heard that overseas before.
Fifth floor.
$1,100 kilograms, 16 persons. Lift number 2.
First floor. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing. Upper ground floor. Doors opening.
Wow. Never heard that
Doors
announcement
closing.
before. Upper ground floor. Nothing can mean lower ground. But whatever. At least these voice modules are reliable, unlike Schindler ones.
First floor. Doors opening.
See if you can get a different one.
Going down.
See, this one also says doors instead of door. Loud controller. Actually, let's go down.
Door closing.
This one has door instead of doors.
Ground floor. Door opening.
Wow, that's weird.